YouTube, it's your boy Day-to-Day Marv, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see, I'm just showing you guys this nice, dope black and gold Casio watch. I got this on my birthday from my best friend, and she gave it to me, and it was, you know, like really cool. It's a nice addition to my Casio watch collection. Over the years, like if you guys see my videos, you know I have a all gold one. That was my first Casio watch. Still loved it. Wore it for 5 years straight, every single day. Probably like, I'd say 20 days out the whole year, well, out the 5 years that I didn't wear it every single day. I'll make an update video on that Casio watch, the gold Casio, of wearing it for 5 years. So you guys can stay tuned and check that out. And then after that, I got a silver Casio watch, which you guys have also seen. If you haven't, I'm gonna link them in the description. And then that one, I didn't wear that one too much for some reason. It wasn't really appealing to me as much as the gold one. So I kind of just gave that one to my mom, and she pretty much wore that one every single day. And now I have this black and gold Casio watch to my collection, and man, let me tell you how much I like this watch. It's really dope. Now, just starting with the black on the watch, black is really my favorite color, and the fact that it has like this matte black look to it, it looks really cool. So I showed it to some of my friends, and they thought it was actually like plastic. Well, a couple of them thought it was plastic, but no, this is all aluminum, and it's really nice. It's very light to the touch, of course. I don't really care for heavy watches. I did review an Invicta watch back in the past. My pops gave it to me for one of my birthdays, and after having that watch, reviewing it and wearing it for a little while, I realized I really don't like heavy watches, man. Any watch with any kind of weight to it that's heavier than a Casio watch, I don't really care for. Now, another thing that I expect for this watch, as wearing it as much as I wore my last watch, was the gold Casio. I expect this watch to do a lot of fading on the black. And when I say fading, it's going to have like this really rugged black scratch off. So it's going to have a lot of scratches and like, let's say silver scratches underneath it, because underneath the black is, of course, aluminum. So it's going to be silver. So once I get it to the point where it's scratching that much and it looks really rugged and rough, I think it's gonna look that much better, man. Because right now my gold Casio, as I said, it looks amazing. It's really screwed up. It looks hella vintage. It looks really old and just like gross. But to me, I like it a lot. I like that distressed looking vibe. So that's one of my favorite looks. And I definitely feel like this Casio watch here is gonna freaking have that. But yeah, man, I just want to show you guys that Casio watch. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Ay, yeah, ay, yeah. Songs that are fabulous. Can't deny it even when you meet me online. Don't even front. Ay, yeah. Don't even front. On my mama, I'm fab.